So like I said, please, that is not the side length. The side length is double that. So the side length is 14.54. Okay, so I did 7.27 times 2 to get the whole length. So from there, we have to find what the perimeter is. So the perimeter is just going to be how many sides we have? 5 times 14.54. When we do that, we get 72.7. Okay. And then we have to find, and I'm going to switch colors here because it's important. We're finding the area. Alrighty, so we'll go with purple here. All right, area equals 1/2 times the apothem, which is 10, times our perimeter, which we found down there was 72.7. All right, which gives us a final area of 363.5 inches squared. Final answer, done. All right, so moving on to number 6. Again, giving us the apothem, so we have to make that right triangle here by using the radius. For this, how many sides? There's 8. It's a stop sign. It's an octagon. All right. So we do 8 minus 2 times 180. All right. What do we get for an answer? Let's see. We get 1080. We divide that by 8. All right. So that gives us 135. All right. So this angle over here is 135. So to find the angle inside the triangle, we divide that 135 by 2, and we get 67.5. So this angle right in there is 67.5. Okay. That angle down there. Now we're finding the apothem. So guess what we're going to use? Tangent, because we're looking for this side right there. So tangent of 67.5 equals 6 over x. What do? Switch and divide. All right, so switch that 6 over there to the other side and do 6 divided by the tangent of 67.5, and it gives us an answer of x is approximately 2.49. Now, is that the length of the whole side? You should all be saying, no, Mr. Elling, it's not the length of the whole side. There you go, guys. Great job. All right, so the whole length is going to be double that, which is 4.98. All right, 4.98. Now, how do we find the perimeter? Because that's what we're looking for. We know the whole length is 4.88. It's double 2.45. So to find the perimeter equals how many sides we have? 8 multiplied by 4.98. Okay, once we do that, we get a total perimeter of 39.84. Alrighty, and then we know what our apothem is. So switching colors here to do the area. Area equals 1/2. What's the apothem? Oh, it's 6. Alrighty. Times 39.84. There we go. Bingo. All right. And 119.52 kilometers squared. That is our final answer. We're done. Alrighty, so there's a whole bunch of work there. All right, guys. So we're going to move on to 7 and 8. Oh, no, 7 and 8 are different. What are we going to do? Crocky. Alrighty, guys, I'll show you what we're going to do here. So 7 and 8, they give you a side length, so we can find what, right off the bat, the perimeter. However, it still doesn't change. We're still going to draw our right triangle in there. We're still going to figure out what we need, okay? So we have to draw the triangle in this one, okay? Make sure you're doing that. Make sure you're drawing that triangle in there, all right? Boom, here we go. Oh, that means we're going to get cut off here in a second, okay? All right, so now whole side length is 8. What is going to be this part right here? Hopefully you guys are all saying in your head, oh, we do it backwards and we divide by 2. Yes, that is 4. Now, same thing like we did before. We did a pentagon, so the interior, I'm not going to go over it again. It's 108 degrees, all right?